to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you guys my new purchase. I just purchased a new dryer thanks to Amber Ansa because I saw it in one of her videos and I was like, sis, can I get that? Because you guys know I am obsessed with like drying my hair with hooded dryers, and I just needed one that was just a little better. My hair is getting longer and I just needed something that wasn't like just right here. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm purchasing it. So I found it on Amazon. This is the package. Let me turn it around. It's not necessarily heavy either, you guys. So this is from DevLon NorthWest. Let's just go ahead and pop this thing open. It looks like it comes with this base part right here. I got some wheels, a pole. You're gonna need the pole. Alright. This is what it looks like. That's everything. And the manual. So this should be pretty quick. I'm gonna see what we do here. These are the instructions. So you can either like attach it to the wall and have it just come out, or you can use the pole. I'm just gonna use the pole. Let's just put it together, you guys. Okay, y'all, I was so confused because I was like, this cannot be everything. I went ahead and put the wheels on, and then I was like, this pole too small. You have to get the other part of the box out, and it's at the bottom, y'all. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, now it makes more sense. Here is the humongous pole. Flip this over. This screw goes through the bottom like that. Then just take this little piece, put it on, and screw this in here. Then it comes with this, so you can just go in and tighten it up. Tighten it up, friend. So now that we have the base assembled, just gonna put this pole in here. It goes up and down, and you can tighten it whenever you get the height that you want. So now that I have the base assembled, I just put the smaller pole in here, and it sounds like this. So I am gonna just go ahead and put the top on. Okay, I think this is it, y'all. It's freaking me out because it looks like it's leaning, but in reality, I don't think it is. It's completely assembled, and I just turned it on. This is what it looks like, you guys. And I'm going to show you guys the settings in the back. It's easy to, like, move around, so I like that. So it has so many settings. I don't even know what any of this means yet, but I do want to, like, turn it on. Feels just like light wind. Y'all hear how silent it is though? Ooh, it's getting hot, friend. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. It's like a continuation of heat. Just right here. Okay, so this is $400, you guys. So basically the same price as the Dyson, and you can time it. You can control every single one of these. That's what this is. This is the top one, the right one, the left one, and the one at the bottom. So all four has a different control. If I wanted these two to be hot, but for the top one to be cool, I can do that. That might not be a bad idea because sometimes you get a lot of frizz up here because it's just too much heat at the top of your head. So I'm kind of getting excited. Can you tell? I'm excited, friend. We about to be in there, friend. I'm going to do a wash and go, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how this dryer works. I'm just going to sit under it for the first time with you guys, basically. So stay tuned. I already did my wash and go. You guys see? Here it is. And I'm about to just start drying my hair. So I'm going to put it on all low settings. I'm going to have all 5 of these on. That alone is super hot, so I'm just gonna sit under here, for a good little minute, and then I'll tell you guys my final thoughts about the dryer and all that good stuff. Even though it's super hot, at first I was like, I'm about to touch it, so I was scared to touch these things, but you can touch them. They're not hot. And I don't understand. I don't understand. Help me. Yo, I need to do some more research, because literally I haven't done a lot of research on this dryer. I was just like, okay, it's a dryer. But y'all, I'm literally able to talk to y'all while the dryer is going on. This is kind of cool. It's like not loud at all. And I'm just like chilling under here, and my hair is getting dry. I'm flabbergasted right now. I have completely dried my hair, and I would have to say I do like it, but I do have a few things I want to say. First of all, it is $400. This is an investment, but if you think about it, it's the same price as the Dyson blow dryer that I have. If you guys don't know what that is, ooh, this is it. What I really like about this dryer is, first of all, there's no heat in my face, because everything is just like around my head. I really like that. I don't like a lot of stuff just like it. I don't like a lot of heat in my face, because it makes me not want to sit under the dryer. So that's something that I really liked about it. I could work. It is so quiet. Like, you could watch movies. You don't need headphones. You can talk on the phone. You can be on FaceTime. There's no sound really. Like, you have to be here to actually hear the sound. But if you're not, if I'm just talking to you and it's in the background, like, you guys wouldn't actually hear it. I really think that's cool. And my hair is completely dry. Oh, and it's way safer, y'all. I was so scared when I first got under here, because I was like, what if my face touches one of these things? But y'all, it doesn't get hot. Like, I literally had the thing on and I touched it like this, and even though it's super hot up in here, you can still touch all of these. Like, I legit just turned this off, and you can touch this. So if you touch this, or if your hair touches this, it's not gonna burn it. This isn't, it looks like a freaking stove top, but that's not necessarily what it is, and it's not hot. So I was just like, okay, so like there's heat, but I don't see, like, nothing turned red. I want to read to you guys exactly what this thing is. Okay, so I pulled it up on my phone. So this is the DevLon NorthWest 1,350 watts infrared. I can never say that word right. Infrared? Is that how you say it? Infrared? Is that what it is? Infrared hair color processor dryer accelerator. And it just got a whole bunch of things. Okay. It basically says it provides faster and better absorption. And I definitely see that. Like, yeah, my hair dried pretty quick. But what I really wanted to get out of this dryer is, because with the hooded dryers, it's just a dome top that pretty much goes on your head. So it kind of just dries, you know, from the top down. And all of this is left wet. And so I go in with my diffuser to dry it. But with this, everything, the entire length of my hair got dry, which is amazing. Except this bottom portion, which I didn't expect to get dry that quick in 30 minutes anyway. But this part is on my neck, and this thing is hot. You know, I always go in with a dryer, like a blow dryer on this part, so I'm still just gonna do that. But for it to dry all of this, like, all of this is dry. Like, it's dry in 30 minutes. I'm just like, okay. That's what I really liked about it. They're calling it like a color processor, but y'all, it dries your hair. Like, the heat that's coming out, and I feel like the heat is just so much safer. It feels hot, but it doesn't feel like, ouch, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like, ow, like I can't sit under here, it's unbearable. But I only had it on the level 2, so, and I feel like if I would have had it on 4, I'm sure all of my hair would have been dry within like 30 minutes. But y'all, I just did not want to turn it up yet. This was my first time trying it, so I am going to be trying it out a little bit more. I like it. I do like it. It is comfortable to sit under. It dries your hair pretty fast. It rolls really easily. And I just don't have any complaints yet, you guys. It has so many different settings. Like I said, you can switch any of these. They can all be on different heats. If you want this to be on 5, it can. There's so many possibilities, and I really like it. So I would have to say, if you have the money and you have a big place to store, like you have a home, I highly recommend it. If you do YouTube and you really want your hair to just kind of dry quickly because you need to move on with videos and stuff, that's what I really got it for. I like it. If you're looking for a more safer option to dry your hair, ta-da! That's pretty much it. I actually get a lot of questions about what dryer I use, even though I had a video on it, and I'll put that video above. That dryer actually comes from the Goodwill. I bought it from the Goodwill, but you guys can buy those type of dryers from Sally's. But this one came from Amazon. If you are interested in purchasing, I will have it in the description bar below for you guys. Let me know what you think about the dryer. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!